Have you seen those videos claiming you can make $10,000 a month with Shopify dropshipping in just a few weeks? Or maybe you've heard people saying, dropshipping is dead in 2026. So, which one is true? Should you invest your time and money into Shopify dropshipping this year, or is it already too late? In this video, I'm going to give you the honest answer. No fake screenshots, no rented Lamborghinis, and no unrealistic promises. By the end of this video, you'll know whether dropshipping is still worth starting in 2026. Let's get started. Is dropshipping dead? The short answer is no. Dropshipping is not dead. But the easy money is definitely gone. Back in 2018 or 2019, people could upload random products from AliExpress, run Facebook ads, and make sales with very little competition. In 2026, things are different. Customers are smarter, competition is much higher, shipping expectations are faster, and advertising has become more expensive. That doesn't mean dropshipping doesn't work. It simply means you have to build a real business instead of chasing quick money. The biggest mistake beginners make. Most beginners think success comes from finding a winning product. That's only a small part of the business. Successful Shopify stores focus on professional website design, fast loading pages, high-quality product images and videos, good customer support, fast shipping, strong branding, trust badges, and genuine reviews. If your store looks cheap, customers won't trust you. Remember, people don't buy products, they buy trust. So, should you start Shopify dropshipping in 2026? My answer is yes, but only if you're ready to build a real business, not chase a get-rich-quick dream. The opportunity is still there. Millions of people buy products online every single day. The winners in 2026 won't be the people with the cheapest products. They'll be the people who create the best shopping experience and build trustworthy brands. If you're willing to learn, stay consistent, and improve your skills, Shopify dropshipping can still become a profitable online business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Are you planning to start Shopify dropshipping in 2026, or are you already running a store? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.